But today I wanted to talk about the three worst advice ever that I've ever heard online about. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ashley, and in this channel we're talking all about brand marketing and entrepreneurial journey for online entrepreneur and content creators. Now, I know how hard it is to try to build your business online because this is actually what I am doing. And there is so many content creators and specialists online giving you advice about what you should do and what you should not do. And a lot of those advice are completely contradictory. And it can be very hard to follow and understand what we should do exactly, because sometimes people will say something and sometimes people will say completely the opposite. And now you live in with like, there is too many voices and I don't know what to do. Today, I wanted to talk about the three worst advice ever that I've ever heard online about business or brand. And the first one is beat the algorithm. I cannot tell you how many people are saying that. Some people have even created courses or a program that is called Beat the Algorithm, or even, created a whole book about how to beat the algorithm, which is a great thing, okay? At the end of the day, it's always feel like we're fighting every platform to kind of have more reach and more engagement and also following. But I want to repeat something that I always say on my Instagram account. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, please do. I will leave my information just over here. Is that the number of followers are not important. At the end of the day, that number doesn't go to your bank account. So stop focusing about beating the algorithm and have more followers. Of course, more followers and more reach means that more people will see what your business is about and potentially convert, and you will potentially make more money. But if you don't have a strategy of how you're going to convert those people, how you're going to bring that traffic to your website so you can convert them and make money and be profitable, beating the algorithm doesn't help for anything. I believe that beating the algorithm is good for people that are just content creators and making money off of that and having more opportunities and contract off of that. But if you're an entrepreneur, you need people to go to your website. You need people to see your offer in order for them to buy. So beating the algorithm will not help in itself. It's not enough. So you buying courses or listening to content that is only about how to build the algorithm, how to have more followers, will not make your business profitable. What will make your business profitable is to add that to a strategy of converting those people so they know your offer, so they know who you are. You became an authority for them, and then they're willing to know you, trust you, and like you, and to buy from you. This is the most important thing. Worst advice number 3 is to create your brand visual from the beginning. If you're starting your business, you don't necessarily have to look put together perfectly, okay? People are not buying your visual. They're not buying your logo. They're not buying your color palette. There are people online, specialists, coaches specifically, they've been having a feed that is completely not curated, and they don't work that much into their visual, and they still attract a lot of people and they still make a lot of money. That is a living proof that being pretty online doesn't necessarily help to make a lot of money. Maybe it will, catch somebody's eyes, but once again, you will have to have a brand strategy and a marketing strategy to make those people understand that you're targeting them, that you're talking to them, and then your offer is the best solution for them. So please, if you're starting your business, don't start to spend money on having a perfect website, on having the perfect design for Instagram and stuff like that. That is okay to start with the basics, and then once you grow, you're gonna take that money and injecting back into your business and maybe improve your website, improve your copywriting, improve your designs on Instagram. By the way, if you're really kind of wacky with designing Instagram template, I have some Instagram template just here for you. I will leave the link below, and you can actually add them and customize them for your need and for your brand just by using Canva. I've created them to help you save time and look professional. So if you're ready right now to kind of invest a little bit more into your platform and your design, I would recommend you to go see my Instagram templates. This is why your brand strategy is very, very important. Your brand strategy will be really about the foundation of your business, your niche, your messaging, your vision, your mission. What do you say? How do you say it? And those things will actually attract people and convert people, even though your designs doesn't look pretty. I have proof of people making a lot of money without having curated design and perfect feed. So don't believe that you have to spend on things that will help your vanity metrics in order to make money. And the last biggest mistake that I see is that you have to post every single day. I mean, you can do it, okay? I'm not gonna say no, don't do it. It's a big mistake. You should not do it. If you want to do it, but you don't have to do it. Being consistent doesn't mean every single day. It can be 3 times per week, 4 times per week, but you're still consistent. That doesn't mean 7 days of the week, okay? Chill out a little bit. That's okay if you don't post, on Tuesday, but you post on Wednesday. People will not forget you. You have to be consistent. This is the key, but don't be posting every single day, because if you don't have a team, if you don't have somebody to help you, you will get out of energy trying to create content every day, every time, every single minute, and it's hard, to be honest. It's really hard. What I would recommend you is to maybe plan a day or a week where you're gonna batch content for your platforms, and then after that, you're just gonna plan those things so you have the time to focus on your customer, on your emails, on making money, and those things that are very important for your business. I believe that it is important to stay consistent and post multiple times a week if you can, but if during a whole week you don't post and then after you go back to post multiple times, that's okay. Don't freak out and don't panic just because you're not posting every single day like certain people are doing. Some of those people have a team. They pay a social media manager who do the work. They don't do that themselves every day. So you need to chill out. If you have so many things to do in your plate, don't add up, okay? And you don't want your audience to feel suffocated, because when you post just for the sake of posting, people can feel it. It feels like there is no purpose about you posting. There is no real value. You're just trying to be there. You're just trying to say something and to post something, but it doesn't really make sense with your brand messaging. And this is why having a brand strategy is very, very important, you guys. If you want to know how to build your own brand strategy and your own marketing strategy, please join my academy. I will link the link below. The waiting list is open. By the way, I really want to know, what are the worst advices that you have read about or heard about when it comes to entrepreneurship or presence online? Please comment below. And if you like this video over here, I'm sure that you will like this video, and I'll see you very soon.